My name is Ken Montoya. I own American Shutters. We manufacture plantation shutters, barn doors. We also offer roller shades, zebra shades, cellular shades, all the different window coverings. And we service the entire Southwest United States. I think what I like most or love most about the business, we have 75 plus employees that take home a paycheck every week. They pay their bills, they buy homes and cars and have real lives. Everybody gets vacation time. So it's really neat to have that experience of being part of their family. Even though it's a job, it's still a job where everybody enjoys coming to work. Before Inspired Marketing, we just did very generic Google AdWords that were created by myself, and I'm not an expert in any way. Flyers and new construction, yard signs, things like that. David's company, Inspired Marketing, has really taken us to the next level. We're in front of a lot more people than we ever were before. And we're much more professional presentation. It's been a wonderful collaboration with David. The biggest change that we've had in working with Inspired Marketing is that Nick has given us a look that we just didn't have before. Much more professional, polished kind of image. He's also allowed us to showcase more products. He gives us an opportunity to show off the product in customers' homes and our homes. It's been a great experience. Inspired Marketing has taken us to the next level, and we're hoping to go many levels further. We probably have increased about 20%, so we were maybe a $5 million a year company that went to $6 million our first year with David, and then $6 million a year company that's gone to $7 million. So we've had that continual growth, and a lot of it is because of the marketing that we're doing now, and the way he allows us to present the product makes us feel comfortable in sharing what we do, and gives customers the feeling that they're working with a company that they might enjoy working with. I see David as part of my future for many years to come. I think his marketing plans and his efforts in presenting us has really made a big difference.